Welcome to my channel. Let's follow along and work on the Prius. We're doing a big build as well. Might want to follow. Here's the 2010 we'll work on today. We're doing an oil change. The equipment I'll be using right here is an oil pan, drain pan, some high mileage full synthetic 5W30 oil, a SuperTech ST10 358 oil filter, new gasket ring, 14mm flute socket, and a 14mm socket. This one is red. 3/4 ratchet, and in case something doesn't want to move, good old persuader. Okay, we're under the car. This side's the front. Whoop, that way. That's the back. You're looking for this. That's where the oil cartridge lives. It's not your standard filter. Let's take it off. Gonna use your fluted wrench right here. 3/8 socket. Oh. And there it goes. Oh, I got oil on the camera. Outside of the car, let's change out this filter. Here's your gasket, O-ring, filter, old filter, pulls right out, old gasket, O-ring, whatever you prefer to call it, should come right off. Ta-da. New O-ring. New O-ring with oil on it. Make sure to seat it down into this groove. all the way. Filter installed. Let's go back under the car. Alright, check it out. Back under the car now. Let's put this in by hand first. Grab our fluted wrench. Socket. Ratchet. About 37 foot-pounds of torque on this, I believe. Don't over tighten or you'll crack the plastic. Let's drain the oil next. Now's the time to get your pan ready. $14 mil. Beautiful. Set that down. Let's get the old O-ring off. No? Look at that color, still beautiful. It's not transmission fluid, I swear. Alright, when that's done, we'll come back. Alright, it's done draining. Let's thread this back in by hand. No cross threading today. About 22 foot-pounds of torque on this. So don't over tighten. It's only aluminum. Alright, let's go back up top. Alright, let's see if I can do this one-handed. So, here's your dipstick. This is where you check the oil, not fill. This is your fill cap. This is where you fill the oil. Yep, never. Hang on. Hey, there we go. Alright, let's go get the oil and we'll come back. And we're back. Oh, crap, I almost hit the funnel. So, funnel, oil. Nobody's perfect. We all spill. Use a funnel. About 4.5 quarts. Roast me on my oil pour. Don't forget to put the cap back on. Now, some of you may have noticed, I didn't pull off a cover. Hang on. See? Should be there. Let's go put it on. There's the other one. She's getting her EGR cooler cleaned. It was filthy. Ah. Here we go. You got 3 little points. Match them up with these 3 studs. Give it a firm but gentle pop. Let's go pull it off the ramps. See, here's the main reason you're probably here. See that? Focus. Well, if you can't read, it says oil maintenance required. We've already changed the oil. Now let's reset that light. First, make sure you're in trip A. Turn off the car. Very important. Push and hold this button. Do not put your foot on the brake. This light should not be on. See, my foot's on the brake? The light is on. Foot off. Push it 2 times. 1, 2. Resetting oil maintenance data. Wait for the bar to finish. Done. Turn the car back off. you're done. Good job. You changed your oil.